for a cruise in the GTR. What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back for another video. We're looking for, oh, there he is. We're looking for Mr. Slammed himself, Mr. Tony, who can't drive anywhere without that thing rubbing like crazy. Look at this thing. Look at this thing. Oh my God. I think you rubbed on a leaf, bro. Stance Nation. We got the R33s out tonight, ladies and gentlemen. Actually, 1.9% ladies and gentlemen. What's going on?
It's good, my man.
I heard you over there and over there, scraping kind of everywhere.
Yeah, well, I kind of almost got stuck over there.
That would have made for a better intro to this video if you would have just gotten stuck over there.
That would have been funny and sucked at the same time because there's too many people over there.
Yeah, there's a lot of people here, but we got the R33s out tonight. We're just hitting up a local car meet. Probably not gonna be anything crazy. Probably not gonna be filming too much there, but we're gonna go check it out anyway, and that's all I got to say. Hell yeah! Legit! It's a little meetup. Nothing crazy going on tonight. We'll check out a few cars before we get on with tomorrow's. I always start these vlogs at night, and then I go to the next day. You guys know how it is. We got a fully carbon. It's a wrap, but
No, it's not.
it's so dark out. But we got a fully carbon Subi, looking good on the white wheels. One of my favorite Subarus around. Of course, we got the Skylines out here, just posting up, looking real good. Got some more JDM-ness. A nice Crestor. Too many of these things around. Old school Corolla. This thing's pretty cool, actually. Get your whole family in this thing. Yeah. Hell yeah. Yeah, it's actually really clean though. I'm actually impressed. I think we're gonna have another Super on the channel soon enough. If you guys want to see that, hit that like button. All right, Tony, I'm out of here.
Sounds good, buddy. I'll see
you later. Don't hit any leaves. All right? I don't want you losing your engine to a leaf.
Stuck on a
or
leaf?
a squirrel.
We'll see what happens, buddy.
All right.
I'll see you.
We got what we were looking for. Wow. What's up, guys? It's the next day. Today we are going to be trying to solve the little misfire issue that we are having on the GTR. If you guys saw the last episode, we removed the boost pill, upping the boost on the R33 GTR from about 10 pounds to about 14 pounds of boost. In doing so, we kind of ran into a slight hesitation slash misfire thing in the upper RPM range under very heavy load. So it's a very somewhat minor thing, but it's definitely there. So I bought, well, which now is on the ground over there somewhere. I did buy a new fuel filter, which is what I was waiting to come in. Just whatever, get rid of that. So I'm hoping it's just the fuel filter because, well, that's the cheapest and easiest fix. The fuel filter is right there, for you guys who didn't know, on the Rb26. Like I said, the fuel filter is kind of the cheapest and easiest fix to do. Earlier, we did test the, let me get some more. There, you can see me now. You can see me now. Earlier, I didn't film it, but we did test the fuel pump. We hooked up a gauge to that. The fuel pump's all good. The spark plugs, we took those out. They looked okay. Didn't look like it was really running crazy lean or anything like that. They're new plugs. I did put new plugs in when I bought the car. The coil packs I already tested before. They should be fine. So, like I said, you kind of just have to troubleshoot with these cars. So we're going to try the cheapest and simplest option first. It's probably the original fuel filter if I had to guess. It's obviously hard to know, but I'm sure it's never been changed. So even if it doesn't 100% fix it, which I really hope it does, at least it's something that we probably should do anyway. So in order to take the fuel filter out, all you have is this hose up top. There's another hose on the bottom. A lot of people say the bottom hose is going to be a real big pain in order to remove that. So we'll try. I might have to take off, there's two 10mm bolts holding in the little bracket that holds it in place. So hopefully it doesn't take me too long to do. It shouldn't, but you know, everything I do with this car, I've learned that pretty much whatever I think it's going to take me, double it. That's about right. Alright, so in real time, that was about 10 minutes. The bottom hose, I don't know if you guys can even see it, right? I don't know, the bottom hose right there was a bit of a pain to get off. It was kind of stuck. The top one wasn't too bad. Spilled minimal amount of gas, so there was quite a bit of sediment coming out of here. Let me see if I can, don't tell the EPA that I'm doing this. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. It's kind of hard to see. But there's a bunch of kind of black flakes. You guys can't really see it, but there's a bunch of black flakes coming in there, and it's actually, look how dark. I don't know if you guys can see how dark that is. Like, that's pretty dark. So I'm gonna see if I can crack this thing open after I put the new one on, and just see, I'm curious to see what the inside of that thing looks like. So, well, that was pretty good. Minimal amount of gas spent, so we'll throw the new one on, and then we'll crack that one open if I can, see what's inside of it, and then I say we take this for a drive, cross our fingers, and hope that, well, that basically this fixes it. So I don't have the proper real tool to do this, but this black that just came out of here, I think I started opening this on the wrong end, but I couldn't get into the top end. But, oh, can you guys see that? Like, yeah. So that was pretty bad. So hopefully that is our problem, but it's definitely like black goop coming out of there, and it's actually kind of gritty. Lesson learned, change your fuel filter. So now that we've officially re-gapped all of the spark plugs, we are also, in addition to that, going to be doing the dielectric grease treatment. I got some random packs of dielectric grease that I've collected, and so we're going to be using that. I have already taken all of these off and cleaned all of the boots, and then kind of put the dielectric grease all around the thing and shoved it back down. And as you can see, I got it dripping out from there. So I've done that to each of these coil packs. So hopefully between doing the spark plug regapping and this, it does solve the problem. I think it should, but like I said, I'm trying the cheapest ways first before I just go ahead and replace all the coil packs and do a big fix. Hopefully this fixes it. So we're gonna get these put back in the car. I got these spark plugs already back in the car. We'll do all that and we'll go for a test drive and we'll see how it ends up. Cross your fingers. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so since the fuel filter did not fix the issue, we put new spark plugs in it. The spark plugs that I had in it actually were the new kind of fancy kind that couldn't be gapped. So we put a different set of plugs in, some NKGs, and we gapped them down a little bit. So I'm hoping that fixes it. We're gonna test it out right now. I've been dealing with this for like 2 days on and off. So everyone cross your fingers for me, because if it works, I'm gonna kiss the camera. I'm gonna kiss this GoPro straight up on the mouth. Straight up, guys, straight up, yes, it solved my issue. Oh my god. You know when you work on something for like days and you just can't seem to get it right, and it's not the part you got, or, you know, just that feeling of finally getting it right. It's one of the best feelings in the world. I'm glad I could share it with you guys today. Oh my god. Alright, let's not get ahead of ourselves. I'll roll down the window here. We'll do one more pull. But it was breaking up pretty bad before. That's like, I would say it's 98% better. There was one small misfire I still heard. I don't know if you guys caught it on the terrible audio on the GoPro, but honestly, it's probably 98% better. Because before, after I took out the old plugs, put the different plugs in, it was even worse. I left them just the way they are out of the box, and I put them in, and it was even worse. Like anytime I got above, say, 30-40% throttle, it was getting a terrible breakup. I checked for boost leaks again, and so we put these different ones in, gapped them down, and that seems to have made a massive difference. Now I did hear one, but it pulls pretty good, honestly, now that the boost pill's out of it. I didn't really get too much of an opportunity before to test it out because I only got like one pull out of it, and then it was just terrible. So it pulls pretty good with the boost pill removed. I would say it's definitely on par, if not maybe even a little bit faster than my Subaru was at 300 wheel horsepower. This has got to be very close to that with this boost pill removed. So, so we're gonna go back to the house and discuss.